Well, I just finished the range and speed test of the Inamax Wi-Fi adapter, and I'm very impressed. Let me show you the result. It completely outperformed the built-in Wi-Fi adapter in this laptop. There are several reasons why you want to use something like this. First of all, you are using a desktop that does not have Wi-Fi connectivity. Second, you may have a damaged Wi-Fi adapter that could be very expensive to fix. And third, just to increase the signal strength and the speed of the connection. I will also show you how to get it installed at the end of this video. Here we go. I put my Wi-Fi router here by my window and see if we can get good coverage if I go into the woods. Okay, my window is over there using the built-in network card, 40 Mbps, 50, average 40. I'm just gonna keep on moving and see if the connection speed changes. So far, so good. Now I'm heading to the woods, and my house is over there. Drop to 35. Now blocked by trees. You gotta be careful. I have to walk across this little bridge over the creek. Okay, let's try it again. Well, yes, I better maintain a straight line of sight. Yeah, if it is blocked by trees, not getting good signal. I keep walking backwards. Okay, I think this is pretty much it for the built-in antenna. Well, basically lost connection right here. So I disabled the internal wireless card. I plugged in the new one. According to my signal strength is 100%. Link quality is 95% from this software. Now let's run the same test. I got 250 megabits per second. Look at this. This is insane. From the same position. Now I'm going to slowly back off and follow the same route as what we have just done. I'll keep running the test. I guess this taller antenna really helped with the connectivity. Okay, I need to walk through this little bridge again. Let's do the test. Maintained 150. It still shows the signal strength at 93%. Link quality dropped to 48. This is where the previous one stopped working, and with the USB adapter it still got 5 megabits per second. The link quality dropped 100% signal strength. I don't know how that's possible. Okay, let's do the test again. I'm still getting very high quality signal from here. This is insane. I did not expect this kind of result. I'll have to, of course, point this one to that direction. Well, this thing blew my mind. This is the location where we stopped, right? I'm gonna keep on going and see when it will just stop. think I'm gonna finish the trail, you know? I have a long way ahead of me. Still getting 14 megabits per second. This is incredible. I'm a long way from home. Incredible. Look at this. I'm still connected to the Wi-Fi. It says 100% or 96% signal strength. I still got usable internet in the woods. Where will this end? I have no idea. Well, it looks like it stopped. Okay, let's stop here for a second. Check the signal strength, dropped to 86%. Link quality is 38%. So it's still getting signal. Yeah, the Wi-Fi indicator shows one. Okay, looks like the connection is lost. Connection lost at this point. Okay, it's back. Wow, look at that. Let's run the speed test. Well, I just don't get enough signal at this point. Moving to a higher ground. Well, I guess that's it. Not getting any signal. Although here it shows I still got good signal strength. Okay, disconnected. It's unstable at this point. Unable to reach the server. As soon as I start moving back, it's back. Well, this is crazy. Folds up nicely. If the Wi-Fi adapter in the laptop is not working, it can be very costly to repair. I guess the most cost-effective solution is to use a Wi-Fi USB dual band adapter like this, which supports 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz. Let's try to set it up on my Windows machine. You can also use it on any desktop that has a USB port. This is a USB 3 compatible port, and the speed is going to be actually here. It's listed for 867 megabits per second. For if you have the Wi-Fi 11 AC connection, that's the latest protocol. I noticed there is a thumb drive included, which contains the drivers for the Windows or the Mac computers. So if you have a non-working Ethernet adapter or Wi-Fi connection is not working, you definitely need this because there's no way for you to download drivers off the internet. I have two of the USB 3.0 ports, so I'm going to plug it in here. Nice antenna. For Windows user, basically we insert this thumb drive and run the setup guide. It is detected. It shows the USB drive here. I'm gonna open up this folder so you can see what's going on. That's Windows. We can see Mac and Linux are both supported. The setup. Yes. It's installing right now. It's from Realtek. Under my device manager, I'm going to disable the MediaTek, which is the default built-in Wi-Fi adapter. After disabling this card, I'll be using the Realtek LAN Wi-Fi adapter. I'm connecting to my Wi-Fi. This is the speed I got from this Wi-Fi adapter. Here we go again. My top speed is 300 megabits per second, and this is faster than what I paid for.